Hello everybody and welcome back to Lost Weekends. Today I'm going to be talking about something that I don't want it to sound like it's a whinge, because it's not really. But basically we've had our caravan now for approximately 2 months. And since we've had it, we've used the carpets in the caravan once. And I have to admit it was an awful experience. We picked the van up and it was, as we all know, it was very hot in July, and I've got to admit the carpets absolutely smelt awful. They smelt like a damp dog or bad feet, or they were just horrendously awful smell. So much so, we took them back to Stuart Longton's. So this is what happened. So the carpets went back to Stuart Longton's, who were fantastic with us. They were shampooed several times, and unfortunately they couldn't get rid of the smell neither. Now, I'm rest assured it is not my feet. I even threw my trainers out thinking it was, to be honest with you. But they did make some inquiries on our behalf, and Swift informed them that it was the glue that binds the carpets together. It heats up, and it's not very pleasant when it heats up. So we couldn't live with it, to be honest with you. So I had a look around and I found a local company to me who were very, very helpful. They actually make carpets for cars, you know, car mats and boot mats and things like that. And they're all like personalised. You can have them embroidered and stuff, and they're a really good company. I'll leave a link to the name of the company and their website below. It's not sponsored, this. I did pay for them myself. I've got no kickbacks from it. It's just something I want to share with you. So let's have a look at a couple of samples that I managed to get from the company before I show you the new carpets that we bought. So these are the two samples he gave me, which is a beige, which is normally the standard colour for most caravans these days, and also a pale grey. It might look quite dark on the camera, but it's quite pale. This matting also has a rubberized back, which is great because it stops it slipping around, and it's ideal perhaps in the caravan as well. Obviously it's what they make mats out of for your car. What I also liked was the choice of bindings. So there was this one, and we just turn it over just so we can get that to focus. And there was this one, which was like a checkered option on that. And on the beige, there are several other options, but this one is just bound in this same one, which is like a rope effect. Now, the company will cut them to the size of and requirements that you need, and like I said, they bind them with this tape. So it makes it a good quality product, in my opinion. And this video is not to promote the company, it's actually to share with you the experience we've gained by having smelly carpets basically and having to replace them. So as you all know, our caravan has blue and greys, and it had beige carpets, which I'll just show you now. This is our carpets. Okay, so to be honest with you, we didn't want beige. It shows the dirt quite a lot, and with Alfie running in and out of the caravan, to be honest with you, we didn't want that. So we opted for the grey, and we chose this grey and this checkered pattern on the side. So the carpets are down in the van today, so let's go and have a look and see what you think. So here's our carpets. This is what we chose. And as you can see, they fit them to fit our caravan. Now they are thicker than the normal caravan mats, to be honest with you, which we like because it's very comfortable underfoot. Well, that's just an additional mat that we purchased because the other one, I'll be honest with you, I didn't particularly care for it. It just attracts all the dirt. So let's just have a quick look through the van. Going into the bedroom. And just round there. And there's the front mat as well. It's got my camera bag on the floor at the moment. I'm just doing a bit of editing while we're away. So there you can see, these are the mats that we've replaced it at. I think they look better than the beige ones, to be honest with you, and I think they're a better quality product too. And they don't smell, which is even better. So there we are, ladies and gentlemen. That is why we had to replace our carpets after a couple of months in a brand new Caravan. Some people might think it's disgusting that they didn't want to offer a replacement, etc. But I didn't push it. To be honest with you, didn't want to argue with the manufacturer or get in engagement with them. I wanted to go out and enjoy my Caravan. And to be fair, we didn't use the carpets until this time trip away, because it's been very hot and there's been no need to have them. I'll put a link in below to the company, because they're ideal if you want to replace your carpets if your van's a slightly older model and you want to replace them or spruce them up. They're good for that too. All they ask is that you send them your original mats so they can make templates from them, because like I said, they're a car mat from manufacturer, but they are now looking to do Caravan mats if you want them making, that is. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up, and if you've not already subscribed, please click up there for subscription, and don't forget, hit the bell button to keep up with our regular updates and videos and films, etc. And why not checking out some of our old films if you've just recently joined us. Well, thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.